Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are in CVS and we are about to get into some amazing deals this week. We got a really good week at CVS, so you want to stay tuned and see what we're about to get into. So I'm going to get started right now with this deal on the OGX. Okay, so now I'm going to test out a nice little deal on the OGX products. So these products are buy two and get back a $4 extra care buck this week, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So the baseline products are $8.99. I feel like we don't get deals on OGX too often, so I'm excited to try this. So they're $8.99, buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring out $4.49, the other one will ring out $8.99. We have $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. We also have digitals. My hope is that these will both be working together. If so, we will pay $7.48 and then get back $4, making them pretty cheap. But we are also going to add in a hair care CRT to score these for free 99. So I'll show you my larger deal once we do it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this swab deal with the OGX deal just so I can use this 3 off of 15 hair care CRT and get some money off of both of them. So these are 2 for $6 this week, and then we have a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came out in today's paper. We also have a $3 off of 2 digital, so use what you prefer. But after the 3 off of 2, you would pay $3 out of pocket and then get back a $2 extra care buck, making them $1 for 2. But we are also getting back money for fetch on these that will make these absolutely free after you get that fetch money back, and they're going to be free anyway because we're going to be using this CRT. So I will show you once again how that larger deal comes together. And I forgot to also include that there is a $2 cashback rebate on the Suave hair care as well. So also upload your receipt into checkout 51 and grab that free $2. It's even a bigger moneymaker. Okay, so now we're going to do an amazing deal on the Axe body wash. So these are on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. They are $5.79 regular price. And then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $2 extra care buck. So we have a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came out in today's Retail Me Not. I am also going to be using a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. So after those two, the $5 in coupons is applied, I'm going to end up paying like $3.68, and then I'll get back a $2 extra care buck, making it $1.68 for 2, or just 84 cents a piece. But Fetch also has $1.25 off rebates for these as well. So we're going to get back $2.50 in cash back, making these babies not only free, but a moneymaker. Okay, so now let's do a nice moneymaker on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. So these are buy 2, get back a $5 extra care buck this week. So what we want to do is we're going to pick up 2 of the $5.99 pencils down here. These are $5.99 a piece, and we are going to use 2 of these $3 off coupons from the 712 Smart Source, and we're going to use this $3 off CRT that printed for everyone last week from the red box. So after this $9 in coupons, we're going to pay just $2.98, but then get back a $5 extra care buck, making these babies free plus a $2 moneymaker. Okay, you guys, so I am about to do a small transaction just with these items right here. So this is a total of 8 items that we are going to test out. So I'm going to do this on my smaller card that I don't use that often. I'm going to try to build up the CRTs on that card, so I want to shop on it just a little bit more. So we're going to get 2 of the Axe, 2 of the Suave, 2 of the OGX, and 2 of the CoverGirl. I'm going to be using all of the coupons that we just reviewed, plus $13 in extra care bucks. Let's go up to the front and check out and see how this first little deal works. All right, you guys. So this first little transaction, y'all, oh my God, it was small, but it was mighty. This came out so good. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is the 2 Suave, there's the 2 Axe, there's the 2 OGX, there is the CoverGirl. So those are all of our manufacturer coupons. Those all worked perfectly, and just like I expected, the OGX digital came off with the $3 off of 2 paper coupon from coupons.com. All of our CRTs work perfectly. I used $13 in extra care bucks. I paid $1.14 out of pocket. I had a total savings of $49.38, 98%, and then I got my $13 in extra care bucks that I used right back. So I got $2 for the Axe. I got back $4 for the OGX. I got back $2 for the Suave, and I got back $5 for the CoverGirl. So we got back $13. Now here is where this deal becomes a money maker. So we paid $114 out of pocket, but we got back 4,000 points from Fetch, y'all. So we got back $4 from Fetch. So this transaction with the OGX and the Axe was not only free, but it was a $3 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. That is how you do it. So now let's go on to my larger transaction. So now I'm going to do the spend 20, get back 5 household deal. So my store is not tagged yet. I'm so sad that our spend 30, get 10 is gone, at least for a few weeks. It won't be back next week either. So we are at a spend 20, get back 5. The first item I want to pick up, you have to find like on the little end caps. It's not on the shelf in my store, but it's one of these Tide Power Pods. So these are the 21 count Tide Power Pods, and they are $11.94. Next up, I'm going to grab a Gain liquid laundry detergent. These are actually on sale for $4.94. Okay, you guys, so this is my complete spend 20 deal. So I picked up one of the Gain flings off camera because I had to go get them off of an end cap, but they are $4.94. We're going to be using a $2 coupon on these. We have a digital, and then we also have paper coupons as well. We are going to get one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are also $4.94, and we are going to be using a $2 coupon. We also have a digital that works on that. I want to let you guys know that even though these were not tagged in my store, what I did is I took these items up to the red box. If you have a working red box in your store, you can do a price check at the red box, and it will tell you if the thing that you are looking to purchase is on sale. So these are $4.94. I confirmed that, and I also confirmed that the Tide Power Pods were $11.94. So the total for all 3 of these items before any coupons is $21.82. I'm going to be using this $3 off CRT for the Tide Power Pods. I also have a $3 off manufacturer coupon for the Tide Power Pods from the P&G. So that's going to take $6 off of that. And then we have $2 digitals, or you can use these $2 paper coupons for the Gain products. After those coupons are deducted, you are going to end up paying $11.82 out of pocket, but then getting back a $5 extra care buck, making it just $6.82 for all 3 items. Considering that this is normally $15.99 regular price, $6.82 for all 3 of these bad boys is a great deal. Okay, so now we're going to do a nice free deal on the Suave body wash. So these are on sale for $2 a piece, and then when you spend 10, you are going to get back a $3 extra care buck. So I'm going to buy 5 bottles for $10, and I am going to be using 2 of these $2 off CRTs off Suave body wash. I have 2 of those, and I'm going to be using 2 of these $1 off of 2 manufacturer coupons that came out in today's Unilever insert, and I have a $1 off digital for the 5th bottle. So that should leave me paying just $3 out of pocket, but then getting back a $3 extra care buck, making the Suave body wash absolutely free. And what makes the deal a moneymaker is we are also getting back some Fetch points on these. So please remember to upload your receipt into Fetch. You could get back, I think, 75 cents. Okay, so now we're going to do a nice deal on the L'Oreal Elvive, and I think this deal will be working similar to the OGX, where the digital and the paper coupons are double dipping. Let us hope hope. So these are 2 for $8. We have a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon on these. I am also going to be using some hair care CRTs to make them absolutely free. So if we use the $3 off of 2 paper coupon and we get the credit for the $3 off of 2 digital coupon, we will pay $2 and get back a $2 extra care buck on these, making them free. I'm going to be throwing them into a deal with the hair care CRT. I am hoping that these babies will not only be free, but be a moneymaker. Okay, you guys, so now let me show you this deal that I just worked out to get some nearly free Listerine. Everybody won't be able to do this deal, but if you have the same CRTs as me, it is a pretty good deal. So we're going to buy 2 of the Listerine. They are on sale, buy one, get one 40% off. I'm going to get the 500 milliliter bottles that are $10.38 when I buy 2 of them. So they're going to cost us $10.32. So these are the coupons that we are going to be using today. So I have 2 of the $3 off CRTs off of any Listerine product, and then I also have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. We are also going to be using $1 off manufacturer coupons that you can print from coupons.com. So this is going to take off a total of $10 in savings, and it's going to cost us $10.38 for 2. So we're going to end up paying just 38 cents for 2 bottles of Listerine. Oh, and one of my Listerine CRTs actually expired on yesterday. You'll see that expired on the 1st. This will still scan at CVS up to 2 days past the expiration date, so we will still be good to use this. All right, so now we're going to do a nice little deal on the Shick, and this is going to be experimental for me because I really don't know how it's going to work out, but they are buy 2 get back a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to start out getting one of these Shick Hydro 3 refills. This is the silk for $11.49, so this will be my first item. The second item I'm going to get is one of these Silk Perfect Finish trimmers. So these are $19.99. Okay, so these are going to be my 2 Shick items. So I have the Hydro Silk Perfect Finish trimmer. This is $19.99. And then I have one of the Silk 3 refills. Let me show you some of the coupons that I have that I'm going to use. So I have 2 of these $5 off CRTs for the Hydro Silk trimmer. They give me the CRTs all the time, and I've never used them before. So this is going to be my first time trying them out. I'm going to try to use both of them. Then I also have a 5 off of 20, if I can pick it up, a 5 off of 20 shave CRT that we're going to use today. Then I have a $3 off of the Shick women's refill cartridges CRT that I'm going to use, and I have a $4 off manufacturer coupon for the refill, and I have a $3 off CRT on my card, I believe, or a $4 off CRT on my card, one of those. If all of these coupons actually apply, this should be a super money maker for us, but I don't know if they're all going to work, so we'll test that out and we will see. Oh, you guys, and I forgot to mention this deal on the Reese's, the Hershey singles. So these are on sale 2 for $2 this week, and everybody's getting a $1 off of 2 CRT. So I also have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you may or may not have, but if you do, you can get these for 50 cents for 2 of them, or if you don't, you can get them for $1 for 2 of them, which is a great deal. So I forgot to add that in, but I just wanted to let you guys know. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are getting today. We are grabbing so much today that I had used 2 levels on this shelf. We have a mighty haul today. So we have the items down here. Some of these we already paid for in the first transaction, but I'm going to be doing again in the second transaction. So I'm grabbing 2 more of the Suave, 2 more of the Axe, and 2 more of the OGX, and 2 more of the CoverGirl. I got to get those when I get up towards the front because those are good deals and we are not going to miss out on a moneymaker. And then everything else that we did not purchase in our first transaction, we are going to get in this second deal. So I have all of my coupons pulled, and I have a lot of coupons, you guys. I'm also going to be using about $30 in extra care bucks to roll into this transaction. So this should be a good situation, especially after all of our rebates back. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this works.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to
Okay, you guys, so let's go over this transaction to see how everything worked out. My taxes were killer in this transaction, but we still are working with a moneymaker. Before we read this receipt, y'all look at this receipt. So this is one of those epic CVS receipts. So first, let's talk about the Shick deal, because I want you guys to know how that worked out, because I did not know how that was going to work out. So the Shick deal turned out to be a super moneymaker. I had a total of $22 in CRTs that came off for the Shick, and my $4 off manufacturer coupon came off for the Shick. So I ended up paying just $5.48 for both of those items, and then I got back a $10 extra care buck that I will show you in just a second. So I'll have a written breakdown in the Google document for how my Shick deal worked out, but that was a beautiful moneymaker situation on the Shick. Okay, you guys, so let's review the whole receipt. So there are all of our swab items. There is the body wash up there. There is the shampoo. Here is our L'Oreal Elvive. There's our Tide and Gain items there. There's our Axe. There's our Listerine. That Listerine was such a beautiful deal. There is the 2 OGX. There is the CoverGirl that I forgot to add in when I was putting everything up, so I had to run and add that at the last minute as she was scanning the coupons. And then there is the Shick items. So here are all of our manufacturer coupons. Those all scanned perfectly. We did get additional savings with the OGX digital coming off and the L'Oreal Paris digital coming off. And then here are all of the Shick CRTs. And then there are all of our other CRTs. We used the Listerine CRTs, the Tide Pod CRT, the Swab Body Wash CRTs, and I used the Axe CRT in this transaction. I used $30 in extra care bucks to pay for this deal. I should have actually used $33 in extra care bucks to reduce my out-of-pocket, because I definitely had more extra care bucks that I could have used, but I wasn't sure how my total was going to play out with that Shick deal, so I underestimated. My subtotal came up to $4.32, but my taxes, y'all, my taxes was $7.34 on this deal. So let me show you our savings. Today we saved a total of $145 in this second deal with a 97% savings. And then let me show you everything that we got back. So we got back $5 for the spend 20 get 5 household deal. We got back $4 for the OGX. Once again, we got back $2 for the Swab hair care. We got back $3 for the Swab body wash. We got back $2 for the L'Oreal Elvive. We got back $2 for the Axe, and we got back $10 for the Shick, and we got back $5 for the CoverGirl. And then once again, I scanned this receipt into Fetch, and I always scan when I'm in the store or in the parking lot. So I've already scanned that receipt, and guess what, y'all? I got back another $5 from Fetch. So I'm also going to scan in to get $2 more from Checkout 51. So that is $7 in cash back that we are also getting on this deal. So because I spent out $30 in extra care bucks, $4 in cash, and I just got back $33 in extra care bucks, and I'm getting back $7 in cash, everything that we purchased today, y'all, was not only free, but it was a super money maker. So I am super excited about today's trip because we got some awesome items for free $99. Check below for a written breakdown of all of these deals. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.